2024 was a very interesting year for me. A lot of challenges. Napakakulay ng 2024.
Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog.
Mga kasangga, after ng vacation sa Europe ni Queen Bea Alonzo, ay binahagi niya ang kanyang experience at naramdaman na single siya. Narito guys, check this out.
As in, empowering din siya na to be single and then spend time with the ones you love. I didn't feel sad. I didn't feel incomplete. I guess parang ang sarap din ng feeling ng enough kaya as yung, you know, parang hindi ako nalungkot.
At ibinahagi niya rin ang kanyang naging experience ng 2024. Ano nga ba ang kanyang mga natutunan? Check this out, guys.
Napakakulay ng 2024. But, of course, it taught me a lot. And, I guess, 2025 is all about self-discovery and self-improvement and siguro self-care.
Magiging open din daw siya to change and possibilities, mapa-career o personal na buhay. Pero, bukas din ba ang kanyang puso?
Maling sinabi ko yun Yeah, I mean, yeah, open. Pero syempre, again, marami kang natutunan sa past years and pagdating sa usaping yan, syempre parang parang you have to this time be not naman, I wouldn't use the word careful, but siguro mas mindful and siguro this time mas intentional.
At ang pinaka-importanting lesson na tututunan niya noong nakaraang taon ay
to learn how to gracefully walk away from things that aren't meant for you.